In Srimad Devi Bhagavatam, the first skanda recounts the tale of Lord Vishnu's battle with the powerful Daityas, Madhu and Katab. The story begins when Vishnu was lying in this cosmic slumber. Two mighty and terrifying Daityas, Madhu and Katab, emerged from his earwax. After emerging, both decided to find the source of their existence and perform terrible penances for Ma Bhagavati. Impressed with their sadhana, the Divine Mother blessed them with a boon, which allowed them to die only at their own will. Elated with pride and their newfound power, they challenged Brahma and demanded to take Brahmalok for themselves. In his desperation, Brahma sought Vishnu's protection. However, seeing Vishnu asleep, he prayed to the Divine Mother to either intervene herself or wake up Lord Vishnu. Hearing Brahma's prayers, Tamas Shakti, the goddess of sleep, withdrew from the body of Vishnu. As this divine energy withdrew from Vishnu, it caused him to awaken. Vishnu noticed Prajapati Brahma nearby, who was visibly terrified and anxious. After hearing all that had transpired while he was asleep, Vishnu reassured Brahma to rest without fear while promising to confront and kill the Daityas. After preparing for battle, Vishnu challenged Madhu and Katab to a fight. The Daityas and Vishnu engaged in a prolonged combat, fighting hand to hand in the midst of the cosmic ocean. Despite Vishnu's formidable strength, the battle dragged on for 5,000 years without any sign of the Daityas tiring. In contrast, Vishnu began to feel the effects of exhaustion. Puzzled by their unyielding stamina, Vishnu reflected on his predicament and the nature of their invulnerability. He realized that the Daityas' resilience is due to a boon granted by the Divine Mother. Seeing no other option, Vishnu decided to invoke the aid of Mahakali, the Supreme Shakti. He praised her might and implored her for assistance in defeating the Daityas. Moved by his devotion, Mahakali appeared before him and promises to delude the Daityas with her Maya, making them vulnerable to Vishnu's attack. With renewed hope, Vishnu returned to the battlefield. Mahakali then appeared in a beautiful form, shining brilliantly in the celestial air, to lure the Daityas. Enamored by her beauty, Madhu and Katab declined Vishnu's offer for further battle. Seeking to exploit their arrogance, Vishnu praised their fighting prowess and offered them a boon. Inflated with pride and driven by lust, they ignored Vishnu's offer and instead offered Vishnu any boon. Seizing the opportunity, Vishnu asked for the right to kill them. The Daityas are taken aback but agreed on the condition that Vishnu kills them on solid ground, free from water. Vishnu expanded his thighs, creating a vast solid surface amidst the cosmic ocean. Deceived by this clever ploy, the Daityas laid their heads on Vishnu's thighs. In an instant, Vishnu decapitated them with his Sudarshan Chakra, thus fulfilling his promise and exploiting their vanity and the boon's loophole. The aftermath of the battle saw the ocean filled with the marrow of the slain Daityas, giving the earth its name, Medini. This act not only reaffirms Vishnu's prowess but also underscores the supreme power of Mahakali. Thank you for watching till the end. Follow us for more such stories.